Today we're going to be making an easy and quick asparagus soup. Start by dry sauteing 1 onion. Add water to deglaze. Add a teaspoon of tarragon, 4 cups of water or veggie broth. If you're using water, add 2 teaspoons of better than bouillon. Add 1 bay leaf and 2 cloves of garlic. Wash your asparagus and remove the dead ends by snapping them. Add them to the pot and simmer until the vegetables are tender. Rinse your white beans and add to the soup to heat through. Remove the bay leaf before blending. Using an immersion blender or a regular blender, puree the contents of the soup until smooth. The immersion blender needs some depth, so sometimes you need to tilt the pot in order to get it silky smooth.